Hello, I'm Alex Holmes. I'm the sales director here at J S Holmes Nissan. What I think really helps J S Holmes stand out from the crowd is the fact that we do everything that you can in the motor trade. From attended fuel court service on our fuel pumps, service, we offer class 4, 5 and 7 MOT, Nissan warranty work, servicing on all makes and models. We do bodywork repairs for all major insurance companies and private individual work for your body repairs. We cover every spectrum. Really, whatever you need, we can accommodate it here at J S Holmes.
I think J S Holmes go that extra mile for their customers, and that's why we have customers come for years and from far and wide. People feel that they're getting everything they deserve sort of here. It's not just a massive franchise. They feel like we actually care, which we do.
It's a good old-fashioned family-run business. Everybody knows everyone here, which is nice, so you feel like you're visiting friends.
Customers that have been here for years, we still treat them as a new customer, and new customers we treat as we've known them forever.
I think we strive to give the customers a good deal, a good service. We look after them, and it's as simple as that. These are people's cars. They're not only their pride and joys, but they carry their families, they carry, they have to be safe. Safety and quality is paramount in this game. It's unbelievable. And a lot of people, I don't think, take into account just how picky almost that you have to be. They have to be safe, they have to look good, and we aim to make them as good as possible, as shiny as possible, and as safe as possible.
The workshop is available for all makes and models of vehicle, old and new. We do have older technicians and newer technicians, so we can work on classic stuff and also modern technology vehicles as well.
Nissan's a pioneer for electric vehicles, and we've been pleased to be a part of that journey. Over 10 years ago was when the Leaf first went on sale, so while everybody's sort of getting quite excited and seeing these electric vehicles come on sale, we're used to it, we know how they work, and we're ready for what's around the corner.
Obviously we use quality products in our valeting to give the best possible finish for cars that are going out to customers. On a personal level, being a valeter, every car that goes there represents us and the company, and also you want it to be the best car you can possibly do.
Our number one core value is customer first. That is our most important thing that we live by, making sure that whether it's for service, recovery, body shop, whatever it might be, the customer is always thought of first. It is more of a way of life more than coming to work. Staff are almost like family, and that is definitely a major player in why we've been so successful. My granddad, undoubtedly, if he was to look down and sort of see what the business became under his two sons, Stephen and Martin, and then the next generation coming through, I think he'd be really, really pleased.
Although Holmeses are here every day, I guess everybody feels a bit like a Holmes. The thing that stood JS Holmes so well over the years are its core values, a family-run business. And I guess even though you might be miles away, sounds a bit corny, but we are next door, we're right by your side.